Hello, welcome to the test shop here at Source UK. This is our Dual Astro V900. The capacity of the machine is 915 millimeters from here to here, and it's 330 millimeters high that you can actually move the guide up to clear the table by 330 millimeters. So a very large capacity machine. It has a variable speed. The speed is 15 meters per minute up to 1500 meters per minute. So literally you can be cutting the hardest materials and the softest materials on this machine. It's done with a frequency inverter and a 2-speed gearbox. The machine has, as standard, a fence guide here. It has this nifty little device here so you can push large bits through gradually using this screw. It has a arrangement here which you can take off for cutting circles. So you pick up off the center line of something, you know, just a piece of plate with this stylus, and then you can just turn the plate round and cut a circle out of it, sort of any diameter up to this range here. Has a work light as standard. It has a magnifying glass, which is a nifty device here, so you can really see what you're cutting, and a blower arrangement here, which I'll show you later. The machine has a standard, this work lamp, a magnifying glass so you can really see your cut line, a fence which can be slid left to right here, it can be on this side, it can even be on this table to guide your material through. It even has this little device here which you can use as an aid to push heavy material through. And also as standard is this device here which has a stylus on it for cutting round circles. So you can actually put a little hole in a piece of plate, push this down onto the hole and turn the work round the piece of plate and cut a circle out with it. So this is a circle cutting attachment. Also, as standard, you get this mitre fence. So that goes on here and you can swivel it round and you can do all your mitre angles. It has an end stop on it. So you can do every piece the same. Right, the rear view of the machine, I can show you the guide arrangement which goes up and down on a rack and pinion here, and you can lock it in position here. The tensioning device, tensioning the blade, you actually have a chart here, so depending on the width of the blade, gives you the tension reading on here. Tracking on here, that's to get the blade in the right position on the band wheel. And it has a blow gun here to blow swarf away, but you can also use a mist system on here as well, so you can put a tiny bit of coolant on certain materials if you require it. The machine comes complete with its own little toolkit. As you can see here, this large band wheel has a brush on it to keep it clean. This is the interlock switch. All 3 guards have these safety interlock switches on. At the bottom there is a removable box for swarf, so you can have that so you can pull it out. And to the right of the machine there's a small nozzle for using dust extraction. So that sums it up really. It's a very versatile, large capacity machine with a lot of standard accessories. As you can see, we can do mitre cut, circle cut, straight cut, anything you want on here. Massive speed range to do any job. Blades are available next day from here at Crowborough. We can also do demonstrations on your material on this machine, either with you in attendance or remotely via WhatsApp.